Despite the government shutdown, which could be an economic calamity, the stock market keeps going higher. What's going on? When you kind of break things down and you look at it, you see that things are likely to get very expensive for consumers. The S&P 500 reached a new all-time high this week. One of the sectors, the healthcare sector, is one of the things that really drove it. Now, the S&P 500 is 500 individual stocks, and the S&P 500 is divided into 11 different sectors: utilities, energy, technology, things of that nature. One of those sectors, the healthcare sector, is what is really taking off. And it's because of the funding and the government shutdown. Now, Democrats want an extension for certain caps that insurance companies and medical providers have based on reliance on government subsidies. Those caps are exactly what the Republicans are trying to take away. This would mean that those companies could then pass these expenses to consumers, which means we're going to see higher premiums for insurance and higher expenses at hospitals. That means more revenue, of course, for these companies. And this is why we're seeing the sector, which was about 133 on XLV trading last week, now all the way up to 145, which is almost 10% in just a couple days. We'll see what happens with the government shutdown. If the Republicans win, which a lot of the market participants think that's what's going to happen, then these earnings are likely to stick, and we'll see these healthcare providers continue to move higher, which could propel the S&P 500 further. Next week could be an interesting week. Make certain to follow along.